Hello everyone, my name is Louis-Marie Richard and I have been a digital project manager for about 15 years. I am currently working in the IT department of the République and Canton du Jura in Delémont in a French-speaking part of Switzerland. So, sorry for my English. The administration of the République and Canton of Jura is made up of around 1,600 agents who manage most of the administrative aspects of the life of the citizens of the canton. These activities include the setting up of an e-gov platform called Guichet Virtuel. In this platform, citizens can submit their requests digitally. There is around 70 possibilities to use the Guichet Virtuel. We have carried out several projects for 2 years with dox42. The first project was related to the standardization of the formatting of files presented to the government, mainly based on the SharePoint data source and SharePoint action functionalities. This way, we can put the documents directly into our SharePoint. Other projects have used the same technical components. Some projects have also been able to implement connections to SQL Server databases, and during the recent COVID period, we used dox42 to produce certain reports for the Health Service. The latest project to date aims to offer summary document to users when submitting digital requests via our Guichet Virtuel. And for this use case, we mainly use XML and JSON data sources. During the first project, we used the standard SharePoint function to generate a document based on a template related to the content type. However, the difficulties related to the maintenance and upgrades forced us to find a more lasting solution. The dox42 solution, by its licensing model and its ease of use, seemed to us the most appropriate in the context of this project. dox42 also offers strong integration with Microsoft security models and secures several components through crypto data sources. This solution also makes it possible to support the organization in the deployment of a paperless strategy. We use dox42 both for its generation capabilities and for the help provided in the management of the deposit of documents in SharePoint trees. We mainly use dox42 on the SharePoint and Nintex technical stack. We also used third-party SharePoint components such as Moimbi. And for the output management part, we also historically use OMS Matrix. We were able to experience a large part of the functionality of dox42, both in terms of data sources such as Word document, Excel document, CSV files, XML or web service, SharePoint, and so on. And in terms of output action, as we can use the return action, the SharePoint action, or the save action. For certain specific cases, we have had to use the possibilities offered by dynamic fields, specifically to format certain HTML content extracted from SharePoint lists. Finally, we were able to understand complex structures such as JSON or XML by using the automate range features to browse arrays. Regarding the way of calling dox42, we use REST web services calls, SOAP calls, or even native integrations through Nintex user-defined actions in on-premise version. We design these calls from Angular, React, or PowerShell applications. Since the implementation of the first project, Several thousand files have not been printed. Several hundred hours of document formatting have also been saved. The experience acquired allows us to eventually consider delegating to business users the control of formatting document models. We have learned a lot of things, but the main thing is the value of document automation. In this way, dozens of hours saved for an homogeneous result. This homogeneity increases confidence in the documents produced. In addition, we were able to consolidate data from heterogeneous sources through a single engine, facilitating the handling and maintenance of the platform. These benefits improve the time to market linked to the adaptations of requests from users. We realized that it could be interesting to have a centralized repository for the management of the document models, and if we had to start over, we would put it in place from the start. We also identified that the autonomy of the model managers was important for the lifecycle management of these models. We imagine that one day we will be able to divide the responsibilities by entrusting the management of the data maps to the IT teams and the pure management of the formatting of the models to the business teams.